Are you tired of downloading APK mods, unlimited money, 100% working, and then it just doesn't work? Let me show you how to get real modded APKs from trusted providers. Simply Google Hackerbot, go to hackerbot.net, enter the name of your game. If the game requires the internet in order to work correctly, it is an online game. If the game works without any internet connection, it's an offline game. If you shoot things in the game, it's a shooter. Otherwise, it's an other. Start the app. It will show you what kinds of cheats are potentially possible in your game and what kind of mod features can exist. Everything else is fake. Go to Get Cheats, choose your operating system. I'm going for Android and mod. Start scan. It will now scan the internet for legitimate mods from trusted providers, which you can now download if they exist. Do keep in mind that the most popular Android mobile games will be online games that store all their money values on the game servers which are on the internet that you cannot modify using any mods or tool. And anyone telling you anything else is lying to you. There might still be possible cheats such as bots that automatically farm your game, or scripts, or minor stuff such as teleporting or speed mods, but there will be no unlimited gems and monies in 99% of games that require the internet to work, which is going to make it more difficult, but not impossible. However, in those games, you will not be able to simply download a mod and have unlimited everything. So use hackerbot.net and support the developers that actually do stuff other than lying to you. Like the video if this has helped, subscribe to the channel. Let me know down below if you have ever downloaded a modded APK and it didn't work, or worse. I'll see you guys next time. Game Tucker out.